Hello humans, welcome to the less shaped channel on the internet. Today I will try to better the design of an old character I created some time ago. It was the main character in a series of comic strips I used to publish in a blog.
The good old time when blogging was still a thing and copyright strike didn't exist.
So if you're curious to know
how not to do
a good character design, please continue watching. I'm Artificial Marvin and you're watching The Filter Effect. To start this makeover, first thing first, I searched some references on the internet to come up with some defined characteristics for my character. Honorable mentions to Peanuts and Hilda for their colors and mood. As I said before, the idea is to recreate the Hilda and Peanuts vibes. Especially in Hilda, I quite like the color palette and the childish style of Peanuts. I'll try to design a blueprint with different views of the character. In this way, in the upcoming videos, I can have a base to create a 2D rig of this character and to build a 3D model. So let's start drawing some sketches looking at these references. First thing first, I needed to practice a little bit drawing again this character, so I drew it a few times in different positions. Playing with it, I was also searching a definitive shape for its hair. In fact, until now has always been a messy improvisation. Once I did his hair, I gave him a more defined silhouette, a crucial point in character design, and a weak point in my design. After that, it was time to deal with proportions. I needed to understand if they were actually suitable or not. I also used to improvise them a lot. In fact, proportions were changing strip after strip. But it's time to finally make a decision. Finally, I switched to coloring. The big deal was now finding a palette that actually fits my character and what coloring style I had to use. After the first attempt of coloring and inking, I wasn't that pleased, and I know my inking was really bad. So after 3 attempts at inking, I finally got a decent result. Then I just had to take some measurements to redraw my character from different views. And this is the final result. I think, after all, I did better its design quite a bit. What do you think? If you have any comment or suggestion, please write it in the comment section down below.
How do billboard communicate? Sign language. What do prisoners use to call each other? Cell phones. I read a book on helium once. I couldn't put it down. If you had 5 oranges in one hand and 5 pears in the other hand, what would you have? Really big hands.
If you liked this video, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button. Until the next time, as always, thank you for watching. Bye humans!